Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add a hyperlink in PDF. So let's get started. First thing first, what you need to do to create a hyperlink into the PDF is to create a Word document like this. Then open up the Word document and then you need to locate the PDF from the file option and then open. Then from here you need to go to the folders and then locate the PDF file that you want to add the hyperlink on. So for my case, this is the PDF I want to add. So I will select that and then it is asking me to click on OK. Then it will take some time to load, and as you can see, we got the PDF open for me. So I will go with the edit PDF, then hit OK. All right. So guys, as you can see, we got the PDF now. All right, so this I want to add a hyperlink into this whole text. So how we can do that is very simple. Just select the whole text. All right, then right click on it, and then from here you will see the link option right over here. So click the link option. Now here is the address option right over here. So I will type the address www.youtube.com. all right, then write down the address, then click on OK. Now as you can see, we got the hyperlink text into this text. Okay, so we got the hyperlink. So if you don't want the underline, you can simply select this, and from here you need to select the underline once, and second time double tap the underlines and you will get no underlines. Okay, so if you just want to uncheck it, you can do that, and then from here you need to select the file and then export, and then export to PDF. Okay, so let's just create a PDF like hyperlink PDF, just save it. All right, let's just open the PDF file real quick, and from here if you just go to our problem, as you can see, this is a hyperlink. So if we just tap on that, and it will redirect to the youtube.com. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.